Hey guys, and welcome back. I've missed you guys so much, and I have recorded some videos, but I haven't been able to edit them because this was my last week. It was my final, so I tried to put all my energy into that. Spring break is coming up, so I have really cool ideas. But before all, I wanted to talk to you guys about a different change we're gonna do. I wanted to do 2 separate channels. So this channel, I'm gonna keep it strictly beauty and hair and like fashion. And then we're opening up a new channel. We're gonna do it with my husband. It's gonna be more of a family channel, like vlogs or activities, like challenges and more everyday things. I'm gonna leave the link down below. So if you guys are interested in that as well, then just stay tuned. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to style and do curls in your hair without having to use heat overnight. Very simple. You can use your 2-day-old dirty hair. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. I use basic straws. I'm going for like very tight curls, but you don't have to buy like any expensive brand. I do like these, the ones that come like tight, that when you open it, then that's when it bends. There's some that already either come bent. I don't use those. I like ones that are a little bit more sturdy, but these are like 99 cents and you get like 100 or something like that. So depending on how much hair you have, I literally will go almost through the whole bag. So there's some people that can do this like 3 or 4 times with just one bag. So it just depends on how much hair you have. Also gonna need like little scrunchies. I'm going to start combing out my hair just to make sure that we remove all the knots. And yes, I am due for a hair color and a haircut, and I'm just waiting on that. I was trying to finish my finals before I go do that, and I'm changing my color. I'm super excited. I'm going to try something very different. I've done blonde. Red has always been like one of my favorites. Black is like my all-time everything because my natural hair color is black. So we'll see what color I go to. I'm a little bit nervous, but if you guys are interested in wanting to see that too, I might vlog it. I feel like I will, and I'll post it on the channel. Honestly, I have the best stylist in the world. She is amazing, and I have the privilege of her being my tia.
I do not trust anybody else with my hair,
because she listens to what I want, she delivers, and she takes care of my hair. She uses awesome products.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
But anyway, so I just like to tie up half of my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't really matter. But if you want your hair to fall like half like that, you just do half. Sometimes some people will do the side that they want to fall this way, curl it. To me, it doesn't really matter. What I do is just tease it a little bit and put it to the side if I want to wear it to the side. This is an overnight thing, so you guys will see me tomorrow in the morning. So then I divide this in parts. I like to start from the top down. It just makes it easier and like more put together. So I'm going to separate it into sections. We're going to start with this section here. Like I said, this does not have to be pretty. Okay, then you roll this. I'll roll it into like a little bun, and that way the hair doesn't get in the way of the hair we're about to start putting in our straws. Now you grab your first straw and you grab the hair. Depending on how much hair you grab is how tight your curls are.
So if you want them super thin and super tight, you're gonna grab them like really thin, something like this, and you're going to be here all night.
But if you just grab a little bit more, there's still gonna be very tight curls, but you'll go a little bit fast. And I grab the straw and I roll it. And then the end, I like to stick it like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie the straw knot like this, and it's gonna hold the whole hair together like that. Now we're gonna do that for the rest. I'm gonna show you guys a few more times, and then we're gonna speed through it for you guys. It is a little bit uncomfortable to sleep if you really think about it.
But beauty is pain, honey, so either you want to look beautiful or you want to look ugly? Which one you gonna do? Because that's all you get. Yes, we look crazy. And the good thing is we're not gonna go out. I mean, you could go out if you feel like confident enough. Because girl, take me on a date, honey.
Sometimes what I like to do is twist it to make them even tighter. It makes it a little bit harder to take them off. You don't have to twist them. You can, but you don't have to. Just makes it easier to keep all together. And then I roll it up. I roll the ends like this. For this one, I rolled the top first, and you can do either or. So I wanted to show you guys, you could do the top rolling in to the bottom of the ends, or the ends and make them tight to the bottom. And that's how I prefer doing the ends to the bottom. I just got a little bit carried away.
This is not for the faint of heart. Take another piece. Roll the rest at the back.
Okay, so I'm gonna start doing these, and I'll record part of it, and then I'll save some of my memory and do it off camera, and then show you guys the final look.
Add the straw. Start at the end. Go to the top.
So I'm almost done. I was gonna tell you guys, this also makes a crazy difference with your hair length.
Honestly, so many people when I get it done, they're like, oh my gosh, you cut your hair.
So let me show you guys the difference. So tomorrow you guys can see the difference in length.
My hair goes down to right above my butt. And tomorrow, it's gonna look probably up to here.
When I'm done, we'll be back. So guys, my camera didn't record the part that I did last night, but this is the morning. So this is the morning. Now I'm going to start taking them off one by one, and it's really simple. Look, usually I start from the bottom all the way to the top. So they curl. I'm telling you, they curl. Ooh, I love that. You see how pretty those curls are? Yeah. We're almost done with the half. So this is how this side looks. Remember, it was close to my butt, now it's right here. I'm gonna start doing this one, and then when I'm done, I'll come back to you guys. As you can see, it's like really tight curls. Here and there, there's a loose one.
Like a poodle.
So what I like to do is I like to wet my hands a little bit and run them through the hair. So you can style it in different ways. Today, what I want to do is put it towards the back. So if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, please check out our channel that we're going to be putting up soon. We should have our first 1 or 2 videos up and running. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Love you.